All right, dear children, welcome back to the class. We're looking at this chapter, right? Linear equation in two variables. Already three things are over now. Three lectures are over now. I think it is the fourth one. So in this, till now we have learned that ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is there, no? Where a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. So whatever I have written here, so this one is called as a general equation, right? So whatever I have written here, so this is called as a general equation, or we can call it as a general form of linear equation in two variables. So that is for sure. So this is a general equation, right? Then after that, we got to know about these solutions also, how to find the solutions. Okay, there is a solutions and all we got to know. X plus y is equal to 4 means you are going to make this x and y like this. Okay, you are going to make a table. Okay, in this you will find out x and y, right? Then after that you will be drawing the graph also, so you know how to draw the graph also, right, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you guys know, right, how to draw the graph. So that the graph also can be drawn, this x-axis and y-axis. For example, that the graph may come in any way. For example, if that graph has come like this, means whatever points are there on this. For example, I have got so many points on this point, this point, this point, all these points, even on x-axis, y-axis, all these points are representing the solutions. We know that. Now, if somebody is asking you what are the coordinates of this point where it is cutting the x-axis and where it is cutting the y-axis. For example, that question is like find the coordinates, find the coordinates of a point where x plus y equal to 4 graph cuts x-axis. If the question is like this, okay, no need to draw the graph. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 4 means it will be having so many solutions. How many solutions are there? Infinitely many solutions are there. I know, we know about that. But where it is cutting the x-axis means on x-axis, you know that on x-axis y equal to 0 or not. On x-axis we have y equal to 0. That means in this equation x plus y equal to 4, if you are putting y equal to 0 means, so you are getting x equal to 4, right? So x should be 4 and y should be 0, because on x-axis y is 0. Therefore you are going to say graph cuts x-axis at 4 comma 0, right? Is this the correct answer? So what are the coordinates of this point? This point is having coordinates 4 comma 0, right? If this graph is x plus y equal to 4 means x plus y is equal to 4, if this is the graph means, then I am going to have this as 4 comma 0 or not? Tell me, dear children.
Yes, sir.
Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Yes. So if similarly another question is asked, okay, where does graph of graph of 2x minus 3y equal to 0 cuts y-axis? Okay, general randomly they are asking this question. Where does graph of 2x minus 3y equal to 0 cuts y-axis? Okay, anyhow we know that graph is like 2x minus 3y is equal to 0. This is the linear equation variable. On y-axis what will be 0? Tell me, dear children. On y-axis I am going to have x equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
So yes, everybody knows this, no? On y-axis, what are the coordinates of points on y-axis? For example, if I take a point here, it is 0 comma 1, and if I take a point here, it is 0 comma 2, and if I take a point here 0 comma minus 1, if I take a point here 0 comma minus 2, everybody knows this, no? On y-axis always x is
Yes,
0.
sir.
So that's why, yes, so 2x minus 3y equal to 0 is there. Then I'm going to write it as 2 into x is 0, then minus 3y is equal to 0. Yes, I mean this is 0 only, so no need to worry about that. That is like 0 minus 3y is equal to 0. Then minus 3y is equal to 0 means y is also equal to 0 only. So 0 divided by minus 3, that y is also 0 only. Correct? So it is going to cut the y-axis at 0 only. That means whatever this graph is coming, no, where it is passing through. So 0 is also one point, and x is also 0, y is also 0, means whatever this graph is there, no, however it may go, it must be passing through origin, no. So that means it may be, the graph may be like this, okay, or instead of this graph maybe like this, or it may be like this also like this also. I mean, anyhow it can be. As we draw the graph, we'll get to know about other points, but it passes through origin or not? Tell me.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Tell me, dear children, it passes through origin, because x also, when I am taking 0, why I am getting 0 means it must be passing through, I mean, this origin only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood, dear children? Okay, I hope you must have got it. Okay, I would have taken this as 2x minus 3y equal to some value 4, then I would have got the answer. But right now, so it also came, so that our concept has become clear. So this graph may be like this, or it may be like this also. As it comes, I don't know, but it passes through origin. That is clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine then. Moving forward, let me give you one more question in this, as it came like that. So please do this. Find the coordinates of point where graph of x minus 4y is equal to 8 cuts y-axis. Please do this. Okay, please do this question. Find the coordinates of a point where graph of x minus 4y equal to 8 cuts y-axis. Write down the equation. X minus 4y is equal to 8. This is for sure. Cuts y-axis means it should be on y-axis. On y-axis, what is 0? X equal to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X equal to 0 means x minus 4y is equal to 8. X is 0. 0 minus 4y is equal to 8. That means minus 4y is equal to 8. And y is equal to 8 divided by minus 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So don't you think y is equal to minus 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It cuts y-axis at tell me, 0 comma minus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now how that 0 comma minus 2 comes, I don't know. I mean, the graph may be coming like this also. Yes or no? So here the point is what? 0 comma minus 2. I don't know whether it comes like this or not. So instead of this graph can be like this also, no? Correct? Now where it cuts the x-axis, that is also very important. So if you find out this x-axis point also, then you will get to know whether first graph is correct or second graph is correct. Understood, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I
Yes,
hope
sir.
everybody got it. So I mean, see, 0 comma minus 2 means through this point, even this graph, whatever graph I'm showing right now, on this red color, even this graph is possible, because it is also passing through 0 comma 2 minus 2, and this is also possible. But where it is cutting the x-axis, that should also be known. Then only we will able to see able to say which graph is correct, first graph or second graph. I mean, can you see that so many levels of questions can be formed, dear children? Yes, got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I mean, so many things can be formed. Okay, so keeping this aside, these kind of questions are not in your exercise, but these kind of questions can be asked in the examination. In the exam, these kind of questions can be asked. So anyway, let's get into this textbook, linear equation in two variables. So we have solved that first exercise already. Okay, I mean, let us wind up this first of all. Let us do with this fourth question. I mean, 4.4. Do this. I mean. Look at this question, already we have solved it. What is this? They are saying so many things here. Okay, what are they? Give the geometrical representation of y equal to 3 as an equation in one variable, in two variables, they are saying. In one variable means what? Only one variable is there. Y equal to 3 means just represent it on number line, no? Y equal to 3, one variable means represent it on number line. A number, you take this number line, you write it as 0 here, you call this as plus y and minus y. Can I take plus y and minus y like this? No issue, right? See, don't think like if I'm taking x-axis and y-axis like this, mean I mean it is only has to be x minus x plus y minus y. There is no need like that. Okay, so you can show, I mean, if you're showing here plus y and minus y, they become proper values here. Plus y and minus y, you can take like this. Okay, then after that I'm going to have 1, then I'm going to have 2, and I'm going to have 3. Then afterwards I'm going to mark this point as 3, then I'm going to say y equal to 3. Is it understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, if you're not comfortable with this, you can just put the y-axis also. For this question, no, one variable question, you can put this y-axis. You can write 0 here, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. Then after that, you can always round it off and you can say y equal to 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
So this is also correct and this is also correct. Both are correct. Okay, there is no issue with that. So this is plus 5 and this is minus 5. You can write. So is it understood? First question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. It's a quite simple. It is okay. It's a very simple. You can definitely do this. Now, second question. How is the second question? They are saying in two variables. They are saying. Okay. What they are saying in the second question? They are saying in two variables. Two variables means what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to draw y-axis as well as x-axis. No. In two variables means how to represent this. In two variables means definitely you have to write it as 0x plus y equal to 3, right? Yesterday I have told you these things or not? Yesterday I explained, then you have to form the table x and y. X and y table you have to form. Whatever x you want to keep, you can keep 1, 2, 3. But y will be remaining always 3, right? Yesterday I explained, no, these things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Then afterwards you can take the points 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one has a -1, -2, -3, and this one has 1, 2, 3, and this one has -1, -2. So 1, 3 means where it comes? It comes here. 2, 3 means it correct, no? Whatever I'm saying, dear children, are you understanding? 2, 3 means it comes here. 3, 3 means it is here. If you want to take, you can take 4, 3 also, no issue. So it all comes here. Then after that, you are going to draw one graph here, no? By joining all these lines. So whatever lines are there, you are going to draw one graph, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And what is the name of this graph? The name of this graph is y equal to 3. Or you can write 0x plus y equal to 3. Both are same. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is this? This is two variable representation, no? Because you are mentioning these points here, also 1 point, here also 1 point, here 1 point. So in both the directions you are mentioning. That's why it is two variable verification, two variable representation. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, fine then. So everybody must have got it. So see here, 0x is there. X, whatever you keep, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever you want to keep, you can keep. Always this term, no? So this term always it becomes 0. So then definitely y equal to 3 is remaining. That's why I wrote y equal to 3, 3, 3. Everywhere I wrote. Correct, no? Yes, dear children, tell me, is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No.
sir.
So I hope everybody got these things. Okay, everybody got it. Okay, how to do it? Everybody must have got it. So I don't want to comment anything on that because you guys understood how to do this. Now, can you do the second question also? Please try second question also, all of you. All of you try second question also. Do this question, second question. Give geometrical representation of 2x plus 9 equal to 0. 2x plus 9 equal to 0 means, don't you think it is 2x equal to minus 9 and x is equal to minus 9 by 2?
Yes, sir.
So x equal to minus 9 by 2 means it can be represented very easily, no? So you can just draw one line like this. Okay. Then once the graph is ready, you can mark the points. Okay, you can mark it as a 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Here also -1, -2. This is plus x and this is minus x. Correct? Minus 9 by 2 means, don't you think it is minus 4.5?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Minus, yes, I mean 9 by 2. You can do that. Minus 9 by 2 means 2 ones are 2 fours are. Then 1 is the carry, 5 so minus 4.5 it is. Okay. So minus 4.5 comes here, no, between 4 and 5. That big line is there after 5 lines. So this is like x is equal to, sorry. This is plus 4.5, no? I'm really sorry. You have to go in this direction. It is minus 3 and minus 4 and minus 5 here. Here this comes. So this is like x equal to minus 4.5, no, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes. Is it understood, whatever I have told?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope it has become clear. Now, similarly, can you do it in two variables? Hmm? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
please do it
yes.
in two variables also. Okay, so I'm going to take it off. One variable, it is very, very clear how to do that. Everybody understood that. Okay, dear children? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now getting into other things, into two variables. In two variables means how you are going to do it. First of all, whatever this equation is there, no, for example, that 2x plus 9 equal to 0 is there. You make it as 2x is equal to minus 9. Then x is equal to minus 9 by 2. So can you write it as x plus 0 y is equal to minus 9 by 2? Can I write it like this?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
yes, sir.
Then after that, make a table, x and y table you make. Whenever you are making this x and y table, so whatever y you keep, x is going to remain. See, y is multiplied with 0. Y you keep 1, 2, 3, it doesn't matter. So always this x will remain as minus 9 by 2 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm? X will be remaining as minus 9 by 2 only. So instead of that minus 9 by 2, you can also write it as a minus 4.5 also. No problem at all. Minus 4.5. Okay. So if you keep like that, now drawing the graph is very simple. So how will you draw the graph? You guys know that. Will you draw this graph, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Will you
sir.
draw it? Okay. Otherwise, let us draw the graph here. Okay. This is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. What we have got. Okay. Then after that, we are going to have so many points here. So those points are named like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3. Here also 1, 2, 3, and here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay. Now what is the first point? -4.5 comma 1. That means here is -4.5. Here it comes -4.5 comma 1. -4.5 comma 2 comma 3. So everything comes here. Then I'm going to just join all these lines through this point, right? Clear, no? This is -4.5, no, here. So I am going to
Yes.
call this graph as what is the name of this graph? X is equal to -4.5 or x is equal to -9 by 2. Clear, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we have solved all these questions already, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I hope fourth exercise is very, very clear. So are you able to do this fourth exercise, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If similar questions are coming in your exercise, in your exams, please do them. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, fine. So moving forward into this third exercise. Now do look at these questions. This 4.3 first question, are you able to do them? Just check. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equation two variables. Are you able to draw these graphs or not? Tell me. I told you, no, how to draw these graphs.
Yes, sir. We will do, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, already I have told you how to draw the graphs. Write that equation, make a table of x and y, put one value of x and get one value of y. Put another value of x and get y. And put another value of x and get y. Get minimum 3 points and do it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
understood. Yeah, so
Yes,
you
sir.
can do these things. I guess these things, there is no need for me to solve this first question. I think first question everybody is able to do, correct? Over, no? First question is over or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now look at this second question. How is this second question? This is very simple. Give the equations of two lines. I mean, you have to give equation of two lines passing through 2 comma 14. That means x is 2 and y is 14. How many more such lines are there and why? How many more such lines are there and why? See, 2 comma 14, that means it must be passing through this 2 comma 14 means, don't you think x and y are like 2 and 14? Yes. See,
Yes, sir.
they're asking, I mean, there is a graph which passes through 2 comma 14, where 2 comma 14 comes somewhere here. 2 means on x-axis 2, y-axis 14 means somewhere the graph comes like this. Okay, here this point is like 2 comma 14. Okay, now can I say x plus y is equal to 16? If I say x plus y equal to 16 means it is 2 plus 14 equal to 16. It is satisfying, no? 2 comma 4 is satisfying this equation or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. So one equation is like, what is the first equation? X plus y is equal to 16. So I mean, this graph x plus y is equal to 16 will be passing through 2 comma 14 or not? If it is passing through 2 comma 14 means 2 comma 14 is a solution. If you substitute 2 plus 14, then it becomes 16. No, so don't you think this is the correct equation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, are you understanding my point? So whatever this 2 comma 14 is there, no, this is a solution for this graph, means this graph should be passing through that. Okay, so I don't want to complicate the things here. Now next equation, one more equation I'll give x minus y equal to minus 14. Is it to I mean, not minus 14, minus 12. See here, x is 2 and y is 14. 2 minus 14 means what it comes? It comes as minus 12 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's why, what are the two equations? Those two equations will be, the first equation is like x plus y is equal to 16 and another is x minus y is equal to minus 12. So like that, how many equations I can make, dear children? How many equations can be framed like this? Infinitely many solutions, no? Infinitely many equations
Yes,
can be
sir.
framed or not? We can frame many equations. Hmm? Clear?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? I hope the things have become clear here. See, like that I can form infinite number of equations. As I want, I can form the equations, dear children. Okay, now if I want to form one more equation, okay, so that equation is like if I say 2x plus 3y, or just 2x plus y instead of 3y, 2x plus y. 2x plus y equal to something, it will come, no? For example, 2 into, what is the value of x? X, they are saying 2 and y is 14, no? So x is 2, then 14, if I'm doing 2 into 2 is like 4. 4 plus 14 is like 18, no? Can I say 2x plus y is equal to 18 is also passing through that point?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? So like that, how many equations can be framed, dear children? Many, right? Tell me,
Yes,
you guys
sir.
are not responding. You have to respond quickly. See here, so that graph is there, no, dear children. So what? I will take some space here. Okay, there is empty space here. This graph is there, no, dear children. So this is like y-axis and this is like x-axis. Somewhere we'll get somewhere this point as 2 comma 14. That is like this point is on y-axis it is 14. On x-axis it is 2. So this point. Okay. So 2 and 14. Now through this, how many lines can pass? Tell me. I mean, there can be one line like this. Okay. There can be another line like this. There can be another line like this. Okay. Through this point, there can be another line like that. How many lines can pass? Tell me, dear children.
Infinite, sir.
Infinitely many
Infinite.
lines can pass. Infinitely many lines means all these lines are having, this is having one equation. Equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4. Like that, how many equations can be framed? Infinitely many equations, no?
Infinite, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Infinitely many equations can be framed, and for all these equations, whatever I have framed, so this 2 comma 14 will be the solution. So okay, fine. So I hope you understood depth of this, whatever I have explained. Yes? Did you understand all these things, whatever I have
Yes,
explained, dear
sir.
children?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, so that's a very important point, whatever I have explained. So, so that is like a second question also you can do, correct? Now, third
Yes,
one,
sir.
try to do it. Third one, please do third question. Please do that. If point 3 comma 4 lies on the graph of equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. Quite simple it is.
Sir, answer is 5 by 3, sir.
Okay, good. 3y is equal to ax plus 7 is there, no? So 3 into y means what? Y means 4, it is there. Look at this. This is 4 is equal to a into x means what is there? X into 3 is there. Then plus 7. Correct? Then it becomes 12 is equal to 3a plus 7. So it becomes 3a is equal to 12 minus 7. Then 3a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 by 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So a is equal to 5 by 3. So answer for this is 5 by 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fine then. So shall I go to next question?
Yes, sir.
Everybody got it, no? Third question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very simple it is. So this is very simple chapter. Okay. But very profound. These things are very useful for your higher classes. So that's why I'm asking you to learn them with a full detailing. Now look at this fourth question. What is this fourth question? Let us try to understand this. Okay. A taxi fare in a city is as follows. Taxi fare means so this cost, charges. For the first kilometer, one second. What they're saying, for the first kilometer, the fare is 8 rupees. Okay, 1 kilometer if you are traveling means you have to pay 8 rupees. And for the subsequent means next distances. For subsequent distance, it is 5 rupees per kilometer. If you are going for next kilometer means you have to pay 5 rupees. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as y. You have to take total distance covered, you have to take it as x. Okay, and total fare as y rupees. Write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. Okay, that means what is the total fare you have to take? You have to take total fare as y, right? Total cost you have to take y rupees, no?
Yes, sir.
So that y rupees consists of what? That consists of first kilometer. First kilometer is like 8 rupees, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1
Yes, sir.
kilometer you are traveling means 8 kilometer, 8 rupees you have to pay. And how much distance you have covered? You have traveled x kilometer, no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have traveled x kilometer means for the first kilometer, how many rupees you have paid? Already you have paid 8 rupees means now how many kilometers you have to travel? You have to travel another x minus 1 kilometers, no? First kilometer you have paid 8 rupees, no?
Yes,
And
sir.
what is the remaining journey now? X minus 1 kilometer, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So for this x minus 1 kilometer, how much you have to pay? For 1 kilometer you
5
pay
rupees.
5 rupees. For 2 kilometer you pay 5 into 2. For 3 kilometer you pay 5 into 3. For 4 kilometer you pay 5 into 4. No. For 1 kilometer you have to pay 5 rupees. That means 2 kilometer means 5 into 2. 3 kilometer means 5 into 3. 4 kilometers means 5 into 4. Don't you think for x minus 1 kilometer you have to pay 5 into x minus 1?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Did you understand all this
Yes, sir.
point? What I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
So that is like whatever y rupees you are paying, no dear children, in that y rupees you have to pay 8 rupees for the first kilometer. Then after that you have to pay 5 rupees for each kilometer. What is the remaining journey? Remaining journey is x minus 1. So that's why I'm going to multiply that x minus 1. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, writing the equation is very, very important. Okay, writing these kind of equations from the given data, they have given some data, right? So by using that, you have to draw, you have to write this equation, then you have to draw the graph, you have to find a solution. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Dear
Yes, sir.
children, look at this. For example, you have to travel 9 kilometer now. Okay, in this taxi, you have to travel 9 kilometer. How many rupees you have to pay if they're asking you? See, first kilometer, how much you will pay? You will pay 8 rupees, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First kilometer, if you're, I mean, if you're boarding the taxi, if you're going into the taxi, means you have to pay 8 rupees for first kilometer. Then plus. Now, how many kilometers are remaining? 1 kilometer you have traveled in 8 rupees. I mean, 9 kilometer, how many kilometers are remaining? 8 kilometers are remaining, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So, for 1 kilometer, you're going to pay 5 rupees. 5 into 8, no? It becomes so. So, total cost is Y here. So, this is like 1 kilometer cost, and this is remaining cost. If it is understood to everyone, please say yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
See,
Yes,
one
sir.
more example I'll give here only. So, for example, you want to travel 10 kilometer. So, 10 kilometer you have to travel. How many rupees? Y rupees means how many rupees you have to pay. That is Y cost they are asking. For first kilometer, 8 rupees. Now, how many kilometers are remaining? 9 kilometers. For 1 kilometer, 5 rupees means for 9 kilometers, 45 rupees. No, so Y equal to 8 plus 45, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
so I hope everybody got it. So that's how I have done here. So for first kilometer 8 rupees, for remaining journey is x minus 1. Remaining journey is x minus 1, that is into 5. Then I'm going to simplify this. How to simplify? So I get it as y is equal to 8 plus 5x minus 5. Then we get it as y is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 plus 5x. Okay, so y equal to 3 plus 5x it is there. You keep it like this. You make one table of x and y, no? You make a table of x and y and draw the graph. If you keep x equal to 0, this one is 0 means y will get 3, right? You know, right, how to do this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So you guys know how to do it, and will you solve this question afterwards?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
See,
sir.
quite simple it is. Quite simple it is. Okay, dear children?
Yes, sir.
See, if you keep on trying, no, then only you'll get it. Okay, you have to try. That is the main thing. Okay. Anaga, did you understand all this, whatever I have explained?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Daneshwari, Sachidanand, Tanushri, Jagannath, all of you understood this or not?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rishikesh, all of you, those who are there. Neela, okay, I haven't talked to you guys in the, I mean, since so many days I haven't talked to all of you because concepts are going on, no? So Vaishali, Jagannath, Kirtana, Nikhil, Rishikesh, Nisarga, Purnima, Neela, Aishwarya, Sumit. So are you guys understanding all these concepts, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
see, I'm talking to you or not, that should not matter. The understanding the concepts is very, very important. Okay. I think now I think we should be going for fifth question. Let us have a look at this fifth question. How it is. From the choices given below, choose the equation whose graphs are given in figure 4.6 and 4.7. Now, from these equations, no, you have to choose which is the right equation for this graph. Okay, which is the right equation you have to choose. Look at this. This graph is passing through origin, right? So origin means x is also 0, y is also 0 means x equal to y, right? So this equation must be x equal to y or not? Or y equal to x, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Correct, no? That's how you're getting. And we have one more point here, that is 1 comma minus 1. If 1 comma minus 1 is there, means if I say y equal to x, that means so this minus 1 and 1, they have to become equal. So that's why it becomes wrong, no? So here if you see at 0 comma 0, it feels like right. But if you see 1 comma minus 1, there is another point like 1 comma minus 1 here. Can you see that? 1 comma minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
See here, this is 1 comma minus 1, no? So they have mentioned here, this is like 1 and minus 1 they have come, 1 comma minus 1. So at that time, this equation becomes wrong. So that's why first equation is not proper. So we can ignore that. Okay, dear children? Relation, all relations should be correct. Then only we are going to do that. But if you take x plus y equal to 0, so if you take 0 comma 0, 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, it is satisfying. And 1 comma minus 1 if you're taking, so x plus y is equal to 0, it is there, no? 1 plus of minus 1 is equal to 0. If you do 1 minus 1 equal to 0, that is satisfying this equation. So don't you think it is correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And here also there is one point, minus 1 comma 1. So if you put x plus y equal to 0 means x plus y equal to 0 is there, x is minus 1, y is 1. So don't you think minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled and it is getting satisfied? So all the 3 points, whatever 3 points they have mentioned here, no dear children, all the 3 points here, what are those 3 points? One is 0 comma 0, another is 1 comma minus 1, another one is minus 1 comma 0. All these are satisfying the second equation or not?
yes, sir.
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
that's why second equation is correct option. So you can look for third also. So what is this? Y is equal to 2x is there. 0 comma 0 satisfied it, because 2 into x is 0 means y is also 0. So I'm going to get 0 equal to 0. So this is fine. But how about the second point? Look at this point, 1 comma minus 1. So here, what is x? X is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 here. So if you bring that equation y equal to 2x, y means minus 1, 2 into x means 1. So minus 1 is equal to 2. It is not correct. No, this is wrong. So that's why this option becomes wrong. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if any one point is also not satisfying means that is wrong answer. You can check for this also, fourth one also. Whichever point you want, you can take it and you can check it. See, first point only you take for this. For example, 2 plus 3 into, I mean, if you take 0 comma 0, y is 0, then 7 into x is also 0. That means it becomes 2 is equal to 0. So it is wrong, no? So that's why all these options, fourth one, first one, third one, they become wrong and second one is right option. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whatever points are there, no, dear children, these points you have to take. For example, in this equation also, I'm telling you 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 2, you have to substitute in this equation and you have to check, and minus 1 comma 3 also. So you have to check them. If all are coming right means this equation is correct. Understood?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes, sir.
anyone is if anyone is also missing, then it should be wrong. Okay, all the points, see whatever are mentioned points, no, all you have to consider. Okay, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, can you do the second question like that on your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think you should be able to do this second one. So I will give you one hint. So y is equal to x plus 2 is there, no? So you do it separately. What is that? Y is equal to x plus 2 is there. Take all the points. What is the first point? You take this first point. What is the first point? X is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 3. Look at this, minus 1 comma 3, and you substitute. Y means what is there? 3 is there, no? Y equal to 3, you substitute that. 3 is equal to, x is minus 1, minus 1 plus 2. So 3 is equal to 1. It is wrong, no? So this equation won't work out. Okay? One point is gone means it cannot work out, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No need to check for second point and third point. Now come for second equation. What is that second equation? That second equation is like y is equal to x minus 2. Then take a point. What is that point? X is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 3. This point only you take. So after taking this, so y is equal to what is there? 3 is there. And it is equal to x means minus 1, minus 2, 3 equal to minus 3. This is also wrong, no? So this is also wrong means this also won't work out. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is also second equation is also wrong. Then you can go for third equation. Right, dear children? Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Please, will you do it for third equation and fourth equation and find out which is the right one?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
please do it now only. Please do it now only.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Please do it now only. Okay. Anyway, so we don't want to interrupt this video of YouTube also, right, dear children? So like that, I gave you some idea about all these things. Now try this 6th question, 7th question, 8th question also. So try all of these questions. And any doubts in the next session, I'll be asking you doubts. What is the doubt you have? Then I'll be solving that. Now everything related to linear equation in 2 variables, all detailing, everything I have given you. Don't you feel I have given you all details?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now officially I will say this chapter is completed, and tomorrow once again I'll ask you in the next class what are the doubts you have from second exercise, first exercise, third exercise, or whichever exercise you have. Any doubts in this chapter, you can ask me and I will be solving them. Okay, so this 6th one, 7th, 8th, and we have this second exercise also. Second exercise is quite simple, I guess. So all this exercise, wherever you have doubts, I will be solving them. Is that okay, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you have to try these questions. Okay, you try this. Okay, already I have told you the method how to do it. Fourth exercise already done and dusted, and tomorrow very few things are remaining. Okay, dear children, so till then, take care, have a good day, and bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye
sir.
everyone.
Thank you, sir. Sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye everyone.